Yo, I'm back with another one. I got my Flashpoint Explorer 100 Pro TTL. The world is yours to explore. Check it out, man. I got my Flash 100. Flashpoint Explorer 100. Little something. Look at this, man. Look at my seltzer can. Check it out. Can you believe the seltzer's bigger than that? Look at that, man. Holy shit. Man, this is so cool, these lights, man. Look at that. Look at my hand. And I got small hands. Look at that. Yes, sir. Like the battery right here. I think these fit the V1s also. And it comes with this little box. I don't need this box, but look at this. Charger, the little thing here to mount the Flashpoint 100. Yeah, I got these to supplement my Speedlights. So this has a TTL High-Speed Sync. I'm not gonna use it for High-Speed Sync though. Has an LED. I'm not gonna use it for LED. These are great just to put them when I go portability, when I travel, running gun, stick them up in a light stand, put them on small venues. I use these little suckers. I use Speedlights at venues, so imagine this is a little more powerful. I have my AD200s too, by the way. But this, I'm gonna put this like in a little soft box that I have. SM, those soft boxes that I have. Prior to videos that I've shown. I can't remember the freaking soft box. But anyway. Look at this, man. I got small hands. Look at that. 2/4 threads there. Yep. Put this sucker up. I heard it is powerful. And they fixed that green tint problem. Because I see this. But if... no, it looks good. It doesn't matter, man. I shoot with a great color checkerboard. And man, I'm a freaking genius when it comes to editing. But these things are so cool, man. Yeah, look at that, man. This is gonna be my arsenal, man. Running gun. It's all about running and gunning, baby. Wedding photography. Yes, baby. Love it.